Hello.
Welcome to another episode of We Talk Smack About Your Product.
Okay, today we're talking about the horrible smells of the spray stuff. Airwick is the best. This, I spray it in my bathroom because the girls in my house take craps and it makes it smell worse. Like, this is not even for air.
It shows green stuff coming out of the bottle on the
No,
back.
that's the not. It's for cleaning stuff. Who would dare put that in there? You want to know what's the best? Airwick.
Airwick
These
The
stuffs
Smells good. Unlike this crap.
I don't know how to work it.
I think you have to put batteries in this thing.
Eric, best product. Don't freaking buy this crap. Smells like you just took a dump.
Get this. Smells good.
Well, thank you.
Bye. Next episode's next.